A tragic incident occurred early this morning at Jiribam Higher Secondary School relief camp where 13-year-old Jiribam Angamba, son of Y. Romeo of Lamtai Khunau Borobekra, was found hanging. The boy had been residing at the camp after being evacuated from his home, which was destroyed in recent clashes between Meitei and Kuki communities. Residents of Lamtai Khunau have fled their homes due to threats from Kuki insurgents amid escalating violence. Authorities were alerted promptly, and Jiribam District Police confirmed that the body was transported to Jiribam Hospital. The post-mortem is scheduled at Silchar Medical College and Hospital Gungur. A case has been registered at Jiribam Police Station, and an investigation is underway to determine the circumstances surrounding the boy's death. Meanwhile, families in the relief camps are mourning the loss of Angamba, with many expressing deep concern over the psychological impact of ongoing conflict and displacement on children. The boy's mother stated that he returned from Lai Harauba around 11 p.m. before the tragic incident occurred. Many families are worried about the psychological impacts of the ongoing conflict and displacement on the children, who are already facing significant financial challenges in the wake of the violence and instability.